Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Cyber Munib. Today I will discuss with you an amazing application that I believe everyone in the field of research should install in their phone, especially for the people who are just starting their research or in the start of their research career, and they do not have enough time to scroll through all the article to find out the relevant ones, or some people who have just started the research, they do not know where to search research paper or what are the credible you can say ways to find out the more about their field. So this application is one of the most beneficial application that I have ever found on you can say Android or iPhone. This is not a paid promotion. I'm not being paid from this application, but I just like this application, so I thought to share it with my friends and all the people on the YouTube channel. First of all, what you have to do is just type researcher on Apple iPhone Store, or like Android Play Store, and then just install this application. Once it get installed, you will be asked from the application that which field do you belong to. Like after signing up, you can select multiple field. Let's say if you are from medical, from biology, engineering, chemistry, whatever you belong to. Currently I'll be selecting engineering. Afterwards, it will ask you whether you want to select aerospace engineering, AI. Let's say I'll select AI, and then I'll move forward and see. I'll select computer science, computer networks and communication. So this will ask about my field of research and all these things, and then it will suggest me articles related to this field. I'll select electrical and electronic engineering, and that's it, I believe. Okay, now it will ask me to pick some specific journals which it would suggest. I'll let's say pick science, IEEE Communication Surveys and Tutorial, one of the best journal in the field of communication. I'll pick Nature and certain other journals, Transaction Power, Foundation and Trends on Machine Learning, IEEE Transaction on Industrial Informatics, IEEE IoT Journal. That's just an example. You can pick journals according to your choice. And once I pick this journal, I'll click follow selected. After clicking this, all the journals that I have selected, it will give me these regular updates about these journals, that a new you can say papers are being published in this journal, or a new issue has arrived, or anything like that. Then it will say that if you want to follow any specific company, let's say I'll just try Cisco and Microsoft AI. You can even skip if you want to, and then it will ask me enter a keyword related to your research. Let's say I'll write blockchain and finish. So this is the home key. Now it will load the papers. You can see it is showing me the papers of science, the recent article which is you can say accepted 12 hours ago. Then the nature, from the nature, what I can do, you can see here I have selected the term blockchain, so it will show me all the recent works that have been published in blockchain or are recently available. Let's say this work on blockchainized privacy preserving sport vector machine, it is available 4 hours ago. And similarly, if this work, another technology in science, so it will show me all the works that are being published in blockchain. Similarly, if I want to add another keyword, I'll just click on I'll just click on this options and then click create feed. From here you can say any keyword. Let's say I'll write smart grid, and it will show me all the papers related to smart grid. Similarly, you can open this application or keep the notifications open, and whenever please send me a notification when the paper is published. Okay, I'll select okay, and it will send me a notification whenever a paper of smart grid gets published. So you can say a recent paper on smart grid is published 17 hours ago, and that is in energies. Then there's another in sensors, and similarly you can also add authors of your field, like you can say top researchers. I'll just write from the keyword, I'll write Dusit Niato, and instead of keyword I'll select author. And okay, it's asking again, first name Dusit, and then in the last name I'll select Niato. all publication, and it will show me all the papers of Professor Dusit Nyato that are recently published. So that's why I would highly recommend everyone to install this application and keep yourself updated with the recent research. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.